One way to experience density differences of periodic table elements is to see that equal weight samples have different volumes. For example, a 1 ounce low density magnesium coin is more than 10 times the volume of a 1 ounce coin of the much denser element tungsten. Although size differences related to density are interesting and educational, an even more impressive way to experience density differences is to lift larger equal volume weights of the elements and experience the dramatic weight differences. These 1.5-inch cubes were purchased, but I wanted to add a few additional element cubes to my collection. Lithium is the lightest metal on the periodic table, but it needs to be stored in oil and can't be handled easily. So I made a simulated lithium cube from balsa wood. I melted and added some bismuth metal to reach the needed density, then sanded and painted to get a result I was happy with. Using the 1.5-inch tungsten cube to produce a sandcasting mold, I melted different elements to produce identical size cubes. Here I've melted tin and am pouring it into the mold. As the tin cooled, it contracted and left a small hole at the top of the cube. It's been about 20 minutes now and I can touch the top surface. It's still a little bit warm, but let's see how it turned out. So far so good. So it looks pretty good. I'll do a little bit of grinding to smooth off some edges and a little bit of repair for that hole due to contraction of the tin, and we'll be in good shape. Here's the cube after a bit of grinding and sanding. I still need to repair the hole at the bottom. Sulfur can be easily formed into a cube, but just be careful it doesn't catch fire. Here's a bismuth cube. Here are the 3 density cubes I've purchased, as well as the 4 that I've made. It's very impressive to feel the 36-fold difference in weight between the lithium and tungsten cubes. You can perhaps sense a bit of that difference in this slow-motion thud test. Thanks for watching, and I hope you'll check out other videos on my Science for Man channel.